The main station building at Rowlands Castle, dating to 1859, was designed by William Tite and is Grade 2 listed. The station was once one of 3 between Petersfield and Havant, but is the only service to have enjoyed a regular service. Havant New to the south was a temporary station built during the intercompany dispute, the Battle of Havant, and Woodcroft Halt to the north was opened a few years around World War II, mainly for service personnel. Formerly, there were goods and coal sidings trailing off the up line in the Petersfield end of the station. There was only one crossover between the 2 running lines, which meant that the goods trains that arrived from the Petersfield direction had to be set back into the head shunt and fly shunt wagons into the sidings rather than propelling them. This was a skilled movement and not normally permitted by the rule book. There was also a siding trailing of the up line, Havant side of the station, serving the brickworks adjacent to the remains of the castle. So we'll get started here at Rowlands Castle with 450 110, 450 107 and 450 089. Working the 0828 South Western Railway service and Port of Harbour to London Waterloo. Passing fast through the station 6 minutes early for South Western Railway is 450-035 and 450-124. Working 1P15 from London Waterloo to Portsmouth Harbour. Next to depart from the station is 450-003 and 450-027. Working the 0844 South Western Railway service from London Waterloo to Port of Harbour. Next, flying around the corner 8 minutes early for South Western Railway is 444-028 and 444-003. With August 17 from London Waterloo to Weymouth. First, northbound fast sees 450-021, 450-006 and 450-097. Working 1P26 for South Western Railway to Portsmouth Harbour to Waterloo. And following on his heels 5 minutes late is 444-033 and 444-024. Working 1 Whiskey 94 for South Western Railway from Weymouth to Waterloo. And our train now approaches in the form of 450-034, 450-044 and 450-023, working the 0928 South Western Railway service from Port of Harbour to London Waterloo. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.